Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Hope everyone is doing fantastic today. Wanted to share some cleaning motivation, some organization, some restocking. Went by the store and picked up a few items for our kitchen. I hope everyone enjoys the video, and I hope you take a moment to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for your support.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you messed up, I'm like a spinning top. we're dancing, we can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move? All night long, the dance goes on. I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. All night long, we got it going and the dance goes on. We got it going and I am here and I move with my body.
I lost my ways, no words to say. You're on my mind, and time flies by. I'm cutting down the wires, I'm feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know it's true, I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. It feels the same, the days goes on, but that's okay. Why can't you stay right here with, I said right here with me. I'm cutting down the wires, I know I'm looking tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know it's true, I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. You know it's true, you know it's true. I keep thinking about you. I can't get you out my head, I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere, I want you here so badly. I can't get you out my head, I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere, I want you here. You know it's true,